Logic, if you don't play with me, wait, you know, the guys say me, I put T. Anything where Mr. Logic can talk for a live video and everything, he be liar, he be so a day. See, they say, God does it, I see some caption, he say, he and Moesha have threesome.
You, this fucking boy, before this go talk, you, from your own dirty mouth, that's your big mouth from inside, we talk this matter. I like it. You are a fucking dirty boy. You don't fuck your own sister. You don't fuck your cousin. And you feel like kind of tell me, say, I fuck my cousin. She's sweet. You be fucking boy. You don't fuck Moesha in ass. Then somebody to the tafle Moesha and pussy inside for your studio there. He be like,
me and Moesha have threesome for where? Moesha, you did there. Go, big boy was Moesha. Me and Moesha fuck before that. Moesha be just my friend, my nigga. Mr. Logic, I got beautiful girls. Like I got Moesha, I got Hajafur, I got Efio, you know. Just look at my exes, you know, they're beautiful. You can't talk say, hey, I did fuck my sister. Mr. Logic, the sister way you talk about, you know, that love girl you talk about, you know my blood, though. If me I the fuck am, you know my blood. You get father, when me to I get father, so you know my sister. So you see those lies you like, you know the far. You where you feel like say your family members, your problem is say if you did not somebody go feel swallow laptop. You can't lie to me, say so it be problem for your family. So if you there, so somebody go feel swallow laptop. So your family members they know if you work for office. Because any office they go not by mistake, not they go feel swallow the laptop. You wait your Mr. Logic. Mr. Logic. You boy don't go feel small career. What everything I tell you something. You boy don't go feel small career. Because see that nonsense thing people they take do artists. The people have the radio station where you be your own. Somebody where he hard earn money, we take build radio station. You people go did there and they spoil human beings. Go there. I'm saying you be one supporter pay where you get. Or you forget. The supporter you do, it be me and show you boxer shorts. You get boxer shorts. Mr. Logic. Support you those is I meet you, they wear supporter. Those days we are meeting, they wear so you know they wear boxes. Me I teach you supporter. Buddha there, you know they wear pants at all. Buddha anytime people go see her for TV for YouTube, you know they wear pants, you know they wear supporter. Cause you know, cause in Dick know they like my own way you go to see they don't go in Dick like this. In Dick lay like infrared. Is it infrared the light if you switch on that way I in Dick day. Put the candy, one spoil man, you want show Ghanaian say we know Shatta. You know, Mr. You know me for where? Me I be like tell you cause boy, food that a big boy. Go check my friends. Food that a big boy, where man enter town. Man stay colleague on Nima, Ashama, Shikura Kasua. Go check Danso man. You tell them they won't can talk my matter. One can talk my matter. Say people know how to spoil human being. I go, I be people say go hunt me. I go hunt you people left and right, front and back, side and side. All those things where you can't talk. The fans self say you be liar. Mr. Logic. The fans self say you be liar. Somebody where you say you and Pikins go holidays for some place before you live there, they go in unit camp, your Pikins swallow fuck. You have so swallow. Tragedy, wait. Tragedy. Every day something happen for me. Mr. Logic, if you be in friend, I say all in media friends know that it be so Mr. Logic day. It be so Mr. Logic day. You understand what I'm saying? So when we day, make we just try and watch. They be liars. Don't even follow them. Those people where they they be liars. They don't get anything where they lie. Mr. Logic. Mr. Logic. It be Shatta Wale where you won't play with. It be Shatta Wale when I can't write it. My eldest. Mr. At 48 years, you get eldest. Where did they advise? At 48 years, then you who are you? Mr. Logic. At 48 years, you get eldest. You get eldest. Don't come and use the word eldest. Say your momo send this. That be how we go feel understand. Because those people they say they give 400, 500, 400. Like if you did my body right now, money day I will give you some. Money day I will give you Mr. Logic, I will give you money. make you chop money. Everybody say what? So now man can say about it. You are an international digital beggar. Mr. Logic, and they can't do song, make a title of digital beggar. You see that song? You go be hit song for the whole world. You go be hit song for the whole world. Digital beggar. You be digital beggar. That is what you are. You're a digital beggar. You don't know how to talk. You can't Facebook. You dress like a putupata. You know a putupata. You don't go 37. Go check the Twitter. One of that putupata for the name the camellios. That you go wear woody. Why if they go TV, you know they dress like that? You want to say he be bad man. If you see that, you see you, they for leave you. I for beat you. You know say you're going to beat you. Cause you, I test you where you run go Nima police station. Where I go, they can't catch you for the way they lock you. Cause you chop my money. Go buy me car. You chop my money. Can't they say, can't do, you know, this thing is, don't even come and play with me like that for a year. You see me, I ship my boy. You no go fish stop my career. Cause see me, I know be like those artists way before they can't talk for Facebook. If I look for like if I look for a mother and a father and look at where they, me I not be like that too. Me my parents. They don't say me I vex where I live out, where I can take my life upon myself. My parents have lived their lives already. I can't come and live a lie for my parents. I'm not a liar here. My father know me, I'm not a lie. You one day I wake up now and say, problem happen. What problem happen? One of the picking they go school, the other one they play with them, they play with the bed sheet, the other one swallow them. Your picking swallow their shit. Hey, I don't picking no escalator and a sewing machine. Can't did there. All the fans, when you put the listen to those show for it, they tell you this be how they do. You see the way you can put up lies. You can put, and me and Moesha do threesome. And me and Mr. Logic, you see the girl T, where you they make it, they sit your car inside of it, and where you get wife. T, you and T, if you go Kofi, you and T, you know. People where they don't know. Mr. Lord, you know, say me, I know they lie. You see, when I talk, I get facts. You know. You know. If the T girl did the way she watch this video, right, I go say, I tell you, don't even try and hold this boy well. Because, Mr. Lord, you want to talk, then you won't talk some. Because you both make yourself friends. You they sit on radio with no qualification. You think any minister for Ghana go wake up and say he be minister of this where you know pass through the system? You which system you pass through? You and Bulldog or lazy two stupid men where you did the countries that always want to portray yourself like you be somebody. Bulldog right now in friends they advise Sam. In friends they advise Sam on social media. Say you know get sense. But you will give yourself gatekeepers. Government said no give you that post. Government said no give you that post. You will take the gatekeeper and put for yourself. Wear this, still bend this. They go see you poor. They will see you poor, Mr. Logic.